Our project today is a fun background using fresh bright colours and the Stamparatus. Using a piece of Whisper White cardstock, 4 inches by 4 inches, and the square mask in acrylic, details of which are on a previous video, please go back to find it. We're going to line it up on the square using Lemon Lime Twist and Coastal Cabana, and the high tide with the lighthouse beam. Position the beam so the tail of the beam comes in the centre of the card. I always try and put the beam and line it up first on the first rotation so I get it exactly right. Inking up with a Coastal Cabana. Press firmly and pick up. Wipe the excess off with a soft cloth and rotate. Ink up and stamp again. The acrylic mask is ideal for wiping off those little pieces again and again. Now we're moving on to Lemon Lime Twist, and we're going to reposition the lighthouse beam in the space in between. With the tail running into the centre again. Ink it up with a lemon lime twist and press firmly. Rotate to the next corner and repeat round in the circle in the same way as you did with the first. This background can be used for all sorts of different projects. This one I chose the sentiment "Congratulations," which is from the stamp set Best Birds. Line up the image in the white space again. Pick up and ink in black. Repeat this process round the card as we did before. Easy wiping on the acrylic. Now for this card, it was for a birthday, a 40th birthday. So I choose Lemon Lime Twist as a mat and black. Details in the description box below and our stamped image. The numbers are from the number of years and the coordinating dies, large number framelits. I die cut them out 4 times, which adds dimension, and also if you offset slightly, will give you a slight shadow. Glue them together in whatever manner you want. I normally use Tombow. And do the same with the 0. And the sentiment was from the same number of years, positioned at the bottom. This finishes our project for today. Thank you so much for watching me and look forward to seeing you again. All details are below in the description box, and please look at subscribing to my YouTube channel as I post regularly. Bye bye.